Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado paste for bread. Choose ripe avocados that yield to gentle pressure, then halve and pit them carefully. Scoop flesh into a bowl and mash to your preferred texture. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of olive oil to enhance flavor. Mix gently and taste, adjusting seasoning as needed before spreading on warm toast. Start by assembling everything on the counter so you can work smoothly. Use 2 ripe avocados, lemon juice, salt, a dash of olive oil, and any optional mix-ins you like. Have a bowl, fork, and knife ready, plus the bread already toasted or warming. This setup keeps the process calm and efficient, and it helps the flavors come together quickly so you can enjoy creamy, fresh avocado paste without any fuss. Begin by halving and pitting the avocados, then scoop the flesh into a bowl and mash with a fork until smooth or slightly chunky. Add lemon juice to brighten, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil for silkiness. Mix in any extras like herbs or chili flakes, then taste and adjust seasoning. Spread the paste on warm toast right away or store it chilled for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.